Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush from more reviews. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So we're here again on another property tour. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. We're trying to get to 3,000 subscribers by May, end of May. So definitely subscribe, guys. Definitely leave a comment as well when you finish watching this video. Like and share because that helps the video to spread as well. And I hope everybody is staying safe, staying inside and staying sanitized as well. So it's another property tour, a new development. It's on Roseneath Avenue, just outside of Liguanea, just outside of the Bob Marley Museum. That's the location. I'm gonna show you guys the property real soon, in just a second. And again, if you want to donate to the channel, all that info is in the description. We have PayPal, we have banking info as well. Thanks to everybody that keeps supporting the channel in whatever way. You probably shared a video, you probably subscribe, you probably commented on the video. I really appreciate that as well. Thanks for the support. So this is the property we are looking at today on Roseneath Avenue. This is the outside view. I am going to try and go inside as well to at least give you guys a walkthrough. I know they have 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom apartments. I did get the price for the 2-bedroom. It is 34 mil. Some of the amenities include gym, pool, and it does come with an elevator. It's 4 stories, but it does have an elevator. So as best as I can, I'll show you guys around the place, and I'll try get a walk through as well. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned. Alright, so it's located on a cul-de-sac, so the road does end right here, but it's mainly apartment complexes, townhouses that are here. So that's where the road ends. It's almost in front of the Bob Marley Museum, so that's where it is if you guys don't know. So that's just a closer look at the complex. In terms of colors, I think the colors are okay, to be honest. I like the colors. They're vibrant.
What do you do? Is it marble or regular tile?
We've got mine for sure.
So you only have one that is completed?
One.
Master bedroom. Alright guys, there you have it, another property tour, another review. I got a chance to take you guys inside. It's a very nice apartment complex. The rooms are big. So you have the master bedroom with the master bathroom, then another room. They both look nice. You have underground parking as well, and the elevator starts from in the parking. You also have additional parking up top, which I showed you guys. It has a nice decent size pool. You have a gym area as well, nice garden area, quiet community. It's 9 2-bedroom in total and 6 1-bedroom, so it will be 15 tenants in total, so not a lot of people, not a big apartment either. It's something that I would take for myself. So sometimes, to be honest with you guys, and doing these tours, doing reviews, I'm also looking for places for myself as well, but I'm happy to be able to, you know, share it with you guys nevertheless. So here we have it, another review on Roseneath Avenue, basically in front of the Bob Marley Museum. Leave your feedback, guys. Leave your suggestions, leave a comment. I think the property we look at, the 2-bedroom, it's going for 34 mil. Let me know if you think it's worth it. Let me know if you think it makes sense. So let me know, guys. And if you've made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe, guys. And if you want to donate to the channel, some of the donation will go to the purchase of a drone, so that you guys can get better quality videos as well, better quality camera overall. So if you want to donate, we have PayPal, we have other options as well. So thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and if you haven't done it as yet, definitely subscribe. Just press that button, guys. It won't cost you. And see you on another video as well. Oh, one more thing, guys. Right there where you see the balcony, the balcony is not yet finished, so the balcony railing will be glass. So it'll be glass railing that they have for the balcony right there. Yeah, so that's basically it. I didn't show you guys much of the parking area, but it's a very decent size parking. It's underground parking. I'll show you guys where you drive to go down to the parking area. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. See you on that next video. Rush for more reviews.